Hey, welcome to episode 3 of Facebook Card series from newbie to a pro. So in this series, I've taught you how to create your Facebook business page and your Facebook manager account. So if you want to become a professional, you want to learn how to run ad professionally, then you need to go and watch the video from the first episode to the last episode and make sure you don't skip any part of the video so that you understand every steps. Do you understand? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your ad account and set up your payment method. So before we get into the full training, before we get set up our ad account, there is something you need to understand. All Facebook account comes with personal ad accounts. Let me repeat myself. All Facebook accounts comes with personal ad accounts. So if you have Facebook account, then you have access to personal ad account. Do you get? So you can use this personal ad account to run your ad, but there is a big disadvantage in using that only. Now, one of the disadvantages is that when your account gets shut down, maybe Facebook restrict your account or disable your account for one reason or the other. You know, Facebook might be funny sometimes. You can just wake up and discover that your account is being, restricted from advertising. So, and you'll be able to run ads, then you won't be able to create more ad accounts. So I will advise you, it is advisable for you that want to start running ad to create a Facebook business manager account. And it is under this manager account you'll be able to create your ad account. Facebook gives you access to create two business manager accounts. That is, if one is shut down, then you can move to the other one to use it to run ad. Do you see why it is very important for you to do that? So that is why I say if you have not watched the video, go and watch it. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Then you go and watch it. So before we create our ad account, if today is your first time of viewing this channel, guys, please, and you are here to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and please kindly like this video, because the more you like this video, the more YouTube continue to show this video to more people that want solution like this. Do you get? And please turn off the notification bell so that anytime we release video tutorial, you will be notified. Thank you. So let's get into the full training. So we want to create our ad account. So before you create your ad account, you need to log into your Facebook Business Manager account. Do you understand? That is where we are going to. So you log into your Facebook Business Manager account. Then it's under this manager account that you create your ad account. Then before you log into your business manager account, make sure you must have logged into your Facebook account. Make sure you have logged into your Facebook account before you log into your Facebook Business Manager account. So let's log into our business manager account. To, to do that, go to business.facebook.com. Go to business.facebook.com. So let's wait. Business.facebook.com. So it's going to bring you to this interface. This is how the interface looks like. So now we want to switch to my personal ad account. So you go to settings there. You click on settings. Look for settings. You see setting. You click on setting. Then you go to business settings. So like I have two business manager accounts, so I'm just showing you how you can navigate to go to. So I want to use my the one I just create, the new business manager account I just create. So go to business settings. After click on setting, you come down here and click on settings, business settings. Do you understand? That is, you can see the arrow. So click on business settings. All right. So once you do that, let's just wait for it. All right. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now we want to check our ad. That's the first thing you need to do. Check your account ad limit. So Facebook gives you access to create several ad accounts. So to do that, go to business info. Go to business info. So you will see account limits. Check account limits. For now it will be 1, right? Because you are new to to it. So if you have been running hard As time goes on, as you start running ad, they will give you access to create more than one ad account. Now, another thing is, this, you see that arrow where it goes up. So I want to change my manager account to the one I want to use. So if you have like two business manager account, that is where you are going to switch. You understand? You can see I have Abigail Salme and I have Abigail Store. So these are the two other two business manager account that I have. So I want to switch to the one I just created. So the one I just created is Abigail Samuel. So the one I just created is Abigail Samuel. So and we have different ad accounts. I have different ad accounts under it. You can see Abimat Store. You can see HBZKD Health Wellness. Then you can see under your account. So this is my personal Facebook account. You can see Abigail Hale Gumolade. So this is what I'm saying. This is the personal ad account. So you can use this to run ad. So then or just go back. So I'm going to click on Abigail Salme. So that's the manager account I want to use. That's the one I just created. So that is how you can navigate through your business manager account to switch from one business manager account to another. Okay. So go to business info. Click on business info. So this is where you can edit your profile. So now we are going to check add account creation limits. Look at this add account creation limit. So you need to check. So if you are just opening a business manager account for the first time, you are just running hard, it's going to be one. So Facebook only give you access to run to for now to create one ad account limit. Do you know that, to create one ad account? So as time goes on, as time goes on, as you start running hard, you'll be given access. Facebook will give you access to have more than one ad account. So you can create as many ad accounts. But for now, because it is brand new, so it is just only one account you can create. So let's go to accounts. You see that option, account. So we want to create our ad account. So under that account category, you go to add account. Click on add account. Click on add account. So let me do that. All right. So you can see from here, Abigail Salme doesn't have any ad accounts yet. So we've not created our ad account. So you're going to click on add. So you click on add. So it's going to bring out these three options. We have add. The first option say add and add account. So this one talks about if you have an existing ad account. Like maybe you have created an ad account under another business manager account. So you want to bring it down to the new business manager account you have, then you can do that. That is if you have access to the business manager account. Then the second option says request access to an ad account. So if you run an agency, you help people to run ad. So you want to request access. Maybe you want to have access to their ad account. Then you can click on that to request access to their ad account. Then we have the last option, create another account. So if you don't have any ad account, like we don't have any ad account now, so we want to create our ad account. So you click on create an ad account. That is what we are going to be doing. So we are going with the top option, which is to create our ad account. So click on create ad account. All right. So you can see payment. Okay. So we've not set our payments, right? So for the time zone, if you are in Nigeria, make sure is at this GMT Africa Lagos. Do you understand? Okay. So firstly, you can name your ad accounts. Do you understand? Name your ad accounts. You can name it with anything you want. So just name it. So I want to name my ad account. So we have Abigail Sam. Okay. Then your time zone. So if you are in Nigeria, make sure you set your time zone to this. You can see GMT plus 011 African Lagos. So I'm in Lagos. So just make sure you are in Nigeria. You can set that. Also, we have currency. We have currency. So now, the type of advert you want to run, you understand? Depends on the currency. Like the currency you choose depends on the advert you want to run. So if you have a dollar account, you can choose USD. That is, anytime you want to pay for advert, you pay in dollar. But if you don't have a dollar account, like me personally, I'm using Nigeria card. Do you understand? Both of them are okay. So for that, I'm going to use Nigeria. Do you understand? So I'm going to set my currency to Nigeria because I'm using what's it called? I'm using Nigeria card. Do you get? But if you are using dollar account, you can set it to USD. Both of them are okay. So if you are using Nigeria, that is prepaid, prepaid card. That's prepaid account. So you just click on Nigeria, then you click on next. So let's just wait. All right. So just click on that. Let's wait. Okay. So now the next thing is for us to give access. You need to give access to the admin. That is, you need to add people to your assets. When I'm talking about assets, asset is talking about your ad account. Your ad account is one of your assets. So you need to assign people. Now you need to assign people. So you just make sure you toggle, you just click on the account owner. This is the account owner name. You can see this is the account owner. Just make sure you click on it, then you toggle all this, you toggle it on to give access. You can see. All right, so just toggle it on to assign role to the admin. So then you click on what? Assign. So just click on assign. So let's just wait. So you can see, boom, your accounts are successfully be created. So we have created our ad accounts. Do you get? So the next thing is for us to set up our payment method. So add payment info. So you click on add payment info. So there are two ways you can actually add your payment information. You can add it directly here, or you can still go to your billing info. So I'm going to add my payment info here. So just click on add payment info, then your location and currency. Then I'm in Nigeria, definitely I'm going to click on Nigeria. You get, I'm going to set it at Nigeria depending on the country. So just click on next. All right, now this is where I want you to be careful. Now when you want to set your payment method, you can either use your debit card or your Visa card or your MasterCard. You get? But make sure when you are setting it, make sure you are using PayU. You can see this one, they say PayU, net payment, okay, MasterCard. So use PayU to avoid, I don't want to go through the stress I go through when I started my running advert. Nobody told me this. So I just used my debit and credit cards direct. So I was having issue with payment. And once you start having issue with payment, Facebook can disable your account. So just PayU. This is, I have been using it and it has never disappointed me. For it is easy. Even people can easily access to your ad account and help you. If you want people to to help you to run ad, they can use their own card to pay for. It is just easy. So use PayU. Just click on PayU. Click on that option. So once you do that, then you click on next. Click on next. All right. Okay. So you can just skip this. You can skip that. You can skip that. All right. So now, okay, if you want to fund your what you want to fund your account, maybe you want to use 5,000 naira to run your account. This one, you have to pay for before you it's prepaid. This one is prepaid account. So if you are using 5,000 naira for a week, maybe you want to use, you want to break it down 1,000 naira a day. You have to fund your account. So I'm funding my account now with with this amount. So you can see. So PayU. So it's, just click on what continue. Once you just click on continue. All right, you can see I'm just using this is just 100 naira, fine. So what you need to do is, so you just enter your card details. enter your card number, your card, the card holder name, the name on your card. Then you enter this month, the month that your card is going to expire, and the year. Then you click on pay. So like this is a prepay, you have to pay before you start running hard. This is not, this one is not postpay, that it is after your hard finish that they will start removing money. Do you understand? So if there's no money in your hard account, your account is not going to run, your hard account is not going to run. So all you need to do is so I'm going to enter all this information, do you understand, and click on pay. So there are some things I have to hide. Yeah, I have to hide my details. So let's just do that. Okay, you can see. So once you enter this your information, PayU is going to send you an OTP, so that another person, it's very very simple, so that another person will not just pick up your card and enter and start using it. So they will send OTP to that. Make sure you have the That's another thing. Make sure you have the phone number you used to register to open your bank account, the phone number, because that is where they are going to send OTP to, where you used to receive your alert. Make sure you have the number, because they are going to send an OTP to you to enter. They are going to send an OTP to you to enter here. So to verify, to confirm. What's this? So I've done that. Hold on. Okay, so let's just wait for you. You may be redirected to your bank. So let's just wait. Okay. All right. You can see. So you can either choose a token, but I will advise you to choose OTP. So once you click on OTP, then you click on continue. You can see. So they are going to send an OTP to me. Then once you get your number, the code, so all you need to do is to just click on continue. So like I'm using UBA, you can see. So good. So you can see now. All right. So this is the code. So you just enter the code. Just enter the code. So I'm just trying to wait. So good. So once you put the code, they are going to debit you instantly. You understand? You are going to debit your account. So that is how to create your hard account and set up your payment method. So guys, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please guys kindly subscribe to my channel. Please kindly hit the notification bell and like this video. Thank you so much. See you another time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.